welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're going to make super quick, easy, vegan and gluten-free almond thumbprint cookies with a blackberry jam. Before I get started, I did want to tell you guys, because I know some of you were saying that you don't use PayPal, or in the countries you live in, you can't get PayPal. So if you want to buy my e-cookbook, Secret Recipes of a Vegan Bakery. I almost forgot what it was called before I was talking. Secret Recipes from a Vegan Bakery, where it has all of the recipes from my vegan bakery that I'm sharing with you guys. There are gluten-free options in there as well. 71 pages, 46 recipes, extra tips and tricks for vegan baking. If you want to purchase that, that is now available in my Etsy. So I will drop that link below, but it's also etsy.com/shop/and-more-store. So let's jump into this baby. First thing we're going to do is combine all of our dry ingredients. So I have 1.5 cups of almond flour, which, guys, don't freak out. I just found that at my local grocery store. I live in a little small mountain town. If I can find a girl, you can find it. And to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So throw that bad boy in there. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. Again, just like the almond flour, super easy to find, found at my local grocery store. And we're just gonna whisk this together. We really wanna try and break up all of these big chunks. So while I'm whisking, you can whisk your finger over that subscribe button. And then I'm gonna come in here with 1/4 cup of almond milk. Now you can use any of your favorite non-dairy unsweetened milk, but you know, it's almonds, so like we go at almonds, right? You feel me? So I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm just gonna start mixing this together until it gets nice and clumpy, like we out here grabbing sleeves. We grabbing sleeves. Did you guys watch the most recent Jen and Julian podcast? Highly recommend. They are hilarious. So once that almond flour starts soaking up all that milk, I mean, look, like it looks like cookie dough, right? Like, oh my God. So now we're going to scoop these bad boys onto our baking tray. You can certainly bake these as is, but I'm actually going to kick it up a notch and do a little bit of a thumbprint cookie action. So I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to thumbprint just a little bit, make a little divot. Oh my God, it's hard to, I feel like thumbprint's a lie, just fingerprint. You feel me? Just go fingerprint a bitch. And then I'm going to come in here. I have some blackberry jam. You can use whatever jam you want. You don't have to use jam like you do. You could do chocolate or something. But I saw this blackberry jam at the store, and I really wanted to try it out. And I think I put too much in that one, but that's okay. Just put some jam on top, and then we have our oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake these for about 13 to 16 minutes. Keep an eye on them for sure. Yeah, guys, look at these little guys. Like, oh my God. So, okay, it's snowing outside for like the millionth time after the polar vortex, and I obviously don't have a car, so I can't go out and get ingredients, nor would I want to, even if Greg was home, because all the snow, scary ice. I live on a hill that like goes like this, so no girl. So I was looking through my cabinets and I was like, what do I have? And I forgot that I had this almond flour and coconut sugar, and I was like, girl, let me see if I can make something out of this. And I'm gonna tell you right now. I am going to tell you right now, Beach. I already tried one of these. They're delicious, but I'll do it for you on camera. Like, look at that. Oh, girl. It's like, it's almost like, okay, got it. Got the perfect analogy. Like an almond butter and jam sandwich, but in a cookie. Like, it's very almond buttery creamy tasting. And I got that jam. I like almond butter and jelly sandwich and a fucking cookie. It's so good. Yeah, make these quick. Little snack. It makes about 16 cookies. Oh, I need a minute. Girl, that is so good. So make those. Full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you guys follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, all that jam. That will be linked below as well. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers or 10,000 followers on Instagram, so I got that swipe up notification on Insta stories. That's going to be a while, girl, but just go ahead on over there and follow me, please. I need it. And don't forget, you can purchase my e-cookbook below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'm having another video coming out for you super soon because it was a while between these last two videos, and I got you, boo. I'll get you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.